The bomba, dog. Mr. Me meet a sweet piece of Latino juicy bone coolie what you see, dog. Come on it. Dog, yeah, dog. Mr. The girl have a piece of like it come like a chicken like a one. Oh, yeah, dog. Oh, me think I say you yammer like a piece of chicken like a while ago. But anyway. She not have a friend. Nah. Me don't even know that.
She not have a friend, G? She must have a friend.
She not have a, I just a girl, me know she have a friend. Me don't know. Yeah, man. Why don't you say that?
She must have a friend, dog.
Dog, she not have a friend, dog. If you say a cat is sweet like you want, you have a chicken leg.
Correction,
She not have a friend, dog. She not have a friend. She not have a friend. Dog, as I said, I'm just a meet Catty and she's fine.
She have a friend.
Let's do a message, I feel like a share today. You feel like the little G?
Yeah, man.
What's the matter, dog? The Catty is like to live round.
The girl have a friend, dog. She have a friend.
I don't know if she have a friend. What's the matter?
She must have a friend.
She must have a friend. She not have a friend. Ayun! What G is that? Brother, I know every girl me have, yeah, she have a friend, G. Every girl me have, yeah, she have a friend, G. She not every girl, dog. You can't go easy. You come to have a shot, brother. What G is that? She not have no friend. She don't have no friend. A female one alone. She not have no friend, brother.
Stop look for me, sir. Habashak. Look for me, sir, man. She don't have no friend. She don't have no friend. Wait, what? Me Jesus, you want me to ask her for you? You see, look like my youth, she not have no friend, G. She not have no friend. No camera, no cool. My, come out of my house, dad. Come out of my house, brother. Come out, my youth. Come out. I'm a bathroom, dad. Brother, I'm a bathroom.